Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's look at the graph and where the focus and directrix is of the following parabola. I'm going to first rewrite this in standard focus form. So we can let's multiply both sides by -12 so that the coefficient of this part right here is just a 1. So doing so, we get -12y, and -12 times -12 is just 1 as desired. And -12 times a 6 is -2 x, and then we just have plus 12 when we multiply -12 times -1. Okay, now we need to complete the square on this part. This part right here is replaceable with x minus 1 squared, just taking 1/2 to -2, but we've added -1 squared, so the trade-off is subtract 1, plus 12 is equal to -12y, so we're almost there, is equal to x minus 1 quantity squared plus 11. So this is standard focus form. This is equal to 4p, take 1/4 of it, p is equal to -3. Notice how this is negative. Now, maybe we could just say it's positive, except this negative actually tells us something too. This parabola, if you notice, from this negative right here, will open downward. So naturally, we think of the focus as lying below the vertex. And you can use that negative if you want to remind you of that. So once we find the vertex, we just drop 3 down to get to the focus. So the focus is really going to be lower than in this case, and the directrix is going to be above. Will be up 3. So let's find the center. We find the center by rewriting this in regular standard form. So we have a coefficient of 1 for the y, and we end up getting y is equal to, so we have to divide everything by -12 now, -1/12 x minus 1 quantity squared, and minus 11/12, divide 11 by -12. So it looks like our center is at 1, -11/12. Just reading that from here, 1, -11/12. So from there, we need to drop down 3 to get to the focus. So we subtract 3 from here. Now, so -11 minus, or 12 minus 3. Now, 3, another way of writing 3 down with the denominator of 12 is 36/12, since 12 goes into 36 3 times. So then subtracting, we end up getting -47/12. Okay, so it looks like we drop down from the center. We keep the same x coordinate because we're dropping down, and it looks like the y value will be at -47/12, which is just 3 below -11/12. Where would the directrix be? Well, the directrix would be start from this y value, but instead of subtracting 3, we would be adding 3. Which would give you 25/12, I believe, so 25/12. Okay, so the directrix happens at this y value. So the equation for the directrix then is simply y is equal to, okay, so that was, it was plus 3 than that, 25/12. So that's the directrix. So we got the directrix, we got the focus, got the center, and we also know if you take the absolute value of this, it's 12. That's the distance across. So if we go down, so for this particular problem, we go down 3, distance across from here to here should be 12. Thanks for watching.